Hey folks, Dave the Paul here from Maximus Internet Marketing. This is Web Wednesday. Thank you for joining. So today I want to talk about, doing advertising, doing marketing. There's so many different channels that you could try to advertise your product or service on. And a lot of times, we go into this with, some kind of, preconceived notion of its either success or failure before it even starts. And obviously, now 2023, it's a new year. A lot of businesses are coming in saying, hey, I need to get more business. I need to make more money. How do I do that? What can I do? How do I do it? And, when it comes to the internet, there's tons and tons of different ways to market yourself. There's lots of different ad platforms out there. There's SEO. There is email marketing. There is retargeting. There's lots and lots and lots of different things that you can do. And don't fall into this trap. And what I want to say here is do not fall into this trap. I hear all the time when I talk to someone who reaches out to me to help them with marketing, and I bring up these different things like, hey, you could do SEO, you could do Google ads, you could do Facebook ads, you could do Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, whatever it is. Tons and tons of different things out there, again, that you can do. But so many times I'll hear, I tried SEO before. It didn't work for me. It was a waste of money. I tried Google ads. They robbed me. They took all my money. I tried Facebook ads. They suck. They don't work, blah, 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 blah. I promise you they do work when they're done right. And a good way of looking at this, and I was joking around with my project manager about a week ago, something I heard a long time ago, and this still is a really good way to look at it. Because we were talking about making Brussel sprouts for the holidays with bacon. And who doesn't like bacon, right? I mean, some people don't. But moral of the story is, what I said was, Brussels sprouts don't suck. Like, you always hear, Brussels sprouts suck. They taste, crappy. Brussels sprouts don't suck. You just never had them cooked right. You never had them with bacon. You never had them sauteed with oil and maybe a glaze on top of them or something like that. So Brussels sprouts don't suck. It was just your way of doing it that sucked. So same goes for internet marketing. Maybe that person that was doing your Facebook ads sucked. Maybe your budget wasn't high enough. Maybe you weren't targeting the right people. Maybe you didn't answer your goddamn phone when people called you for your business, right? And that goes for every channel that's out there. And look at it this way. Other businesses would not be doing it if they weren't getting success from it. You'll look at these larger businesses, you know who your competitors are, you know who you want to go up against, you know who you're chasing to get after because they're the ones that get the bulk of their business in your area. They wouldn't be doing this if it didn't work. So you just got to find the right recipe, just like for the Brussels sprouts, to make it work. But don't just discredit these different types of ad sources because it didn't work for you at one time. You might have to try something for 6 months before it works, a year before it actually works, because you got to fine tune and tweak these things so that you find the right audience, the right way to get in front of them, the right messaging, the right times. Businesses are seasonal. There's a lot of different things. You got to take all this into consideration and have the right team to do it for you. Have realistic expectations. Have a realistic budget in mind when you do this stuff. It's all very, very important when it comes to internet marketing and any marketing to that point. You have to have these things, the right ideas in your mind, the right mindset for you to succeed using these things instead of just saying, it sucks. Yeah, it didn't work for me before. It's not going to work for me again. Brussels sprouts suck. Doesn't work that way. I'll see you next week.